Right, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we're back with Jessdrives and her TT. We're going to go for a little spin, but before we do that, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go! Right, what's going on everyone? So we're in the car with Jess. Jess, hello.
Hello.
And last time we saw Jess, she was driving a white R8, but now she's gone for the smaller Audi, probably the baby R8, the Audi TT. Jess, tell us a little bit about the car. What's the spec?
This is the 2-litre
Yep.
front wheel drive
Yep.
TT. So it's not an RS, it literally is just a TT.
Yep.
200 brake.
Okay, so but there's some speculation about this.
Yeah.
So a few people have driven this car and just telling us it's all 200 brake, but it feels a lot pokey than 200 brake. Definitely feels pokier than 200 brake.
These wheels, it's a bit slippery.
Yeah, you can feel the back.
I love this car.
It's like a little go-kart.
Yeah, pieces of roads.
So what do you love about it?
Do you know, I've had so many cars over the years, and this is one of my favourites.
Yeah.
It's just the way it handles, it drives, it's just like, there's just something about this little TT that is just incredible. And everybody that drives it says the same thing.
It feels more powerful.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know whether it is just because it's not the Quattro,
Yeah.
it's front wheel drive, so you get a bit more like interesting drives out of it.
Yeah.
I love it, honestly. I love this car so much.
Is there anything you hate about it?
No. Like, fuel economy isn't brilliant, let's face it, but I do drive it hard, which probably doesn't help.
Yeah.
But no, I can't fault it.
So the plan, I guess, the plan is chop this in, get an R8 again, yeah?
Well, yeah. I really don't want to get rid of it. Obviously, with a new job coming up,
Yeah.
we'll have a company car anyway as a daily, and then the R8 is a fun car.
Yeah.
But I'm so attached to this car,
Yeah.
and it's my car. It's just a TT. Everyone knows me for just a TT. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. There's a very, very fine line with this car, what it can and can't handle.
Yeah, a lot of bit of understeer there.
Yes, a lot of understeer, but I've got so used to driving it like that I know my limits. But yeah, the tyres on this are, you can only get budget tyres.
Right.
They don't, Pirelli don't make sizes for these wheels, which is really annoying. they've got loads of treads, but you can feel they're just not. They're not Pirelli. They're not Contis. They are losing traction very quickly.
Right.
So you do have to. But if you put your foot down, it will slide, and the back end will go out.
Oh yeah.
So that's how I like drifting this. They're like, why are you drifting a front-wheel drive car? And I'm like, it's so much fun, yeah.
Yeah, because that's the good thing about front-wheel drive is it will save you.
Yeah. You just flick that back end out and it just goes. And as long as you hold the power, it just slides.
This is not 200 brake. I don't know if it's, maybe it's not that it's not 200 brake. Maybe it's just got a lot, maybe it's quite a tonky car.
I don't know. It's just got so much pull.
Yeah, it does, yeah. You feel it wants to go.
We were cruising at quite high speeds yesterday. I learned my lesson from last time, not to say speeds. We were cruising at quite high speed yesterday and it was just pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling, and it just, this little car is just incredible. Anybody that wants a pocket rocket that is not stupid money like your A45s, this is the car to get. But if you want something that's, I mean, it's not terrible fuel, it's not great, but if you're going to drive like this everywhere, it will be terrible. It's just such, it just pulls. And I haven't really got to a point other than maxing it out where it stops.
It's comfortable as well, isn't it? I like the steering wheel. It's like great size.
It literally is the same as the R8. Inside it's the same as the R8. It's just like some little subtle difference.
It's maybe R8, isn't it?
It is.